you're talking to those customers, because I've talked to some customers in my role as well where they've had work move back to them because they were maybe doing work in Mexico or they're doing work in Canada, but they're Caterpillar, John Deere, some of these big agricultural companies. Have you seen any of that where businesses coming back to companies in the United States at all?
To be honest, zero.
Okay.
Zero. What we see on the other hand is that we get a lot of RFQs on new projects in the US, and this is very positive. So existing projects that are running Far East or wherever in the world, we don't see them come back to the US.
Because it's been a great place for a lot of us that have worked our whole careers in it, right?
Oh yeah.
What would you say to somebody that's not aware of it and why it should be an attractive place for them to work?
First of all, we have to start at a very young age. We have to start while they're going to school, and we have to get their parents into this discussion as well, telling the parents and the students that it's not a job in our business. You can make a career, you can make a living. So what attracts them is a good perspective. And this is what we can see and what we can offer at BIHLER of America. We employ 330 people there. What we can offer them is a career.
So you mentioned a little bit about how they're dumbing down the machines, about how is AI playing a role in manufacturing as you see? I mean, obviously there's a lot of tools out there with coding, and we use it in our office obviously to write things, and, but where do you see AI's impact in manufacturing, and again, in your company, but just in the market in general?
In our company, we use it for the software development. That's where we use it heavily, and at BIHLER, all our development processes, also the ERP system, are one connected system. So we use it, AI, mainly for software developments. At the end of the day, it supports, you're getting a little bit faster, you save time, but somebody has to run the machine at the end of the day. Somebody has to physically build a tool. And most important, somebody has to have an idea how to produce it.